Mosi and Moo! Belle's Creative Dance Tips, the language of creative dance. Hello, my name is Serena Candello, and I play Belle on MOSI Moo. I have taught creative dance to preschoolers for the last 4 decades. It is my hope that Belle's creative dance tips will give you the confidence and inspiration to integrate dance into the young child's world, whether you use it in an educational or recreational capacity. I am always aware of the language of movement or dance literacy that I'm trying to instill in the child. My classes that I've created are made up of concepts based from a movement language from Laban's movement analysis. I try to make sure there is something in each lesson that is chosen for every category. So let me go through the categories. The first category is action. What can I do? Here you have locomotor or traveling vocabulary. For example, in the Let's Go to the Jungle dance games, many of these locomotor patterns are explored. In our MOSI Moo series, for this age grouping, we focus specifically on walking, jumping, skipping, hopping, sliding, running, galloping, and marching. We can also move with our body parts, dances that incorporate head, arms, hands, feet, elbow, knees, and hips. Shoulders, too, are expressed in all the episodes. The second category is space. Where can I move? Here you have different levels and zones. In Let's Clown Around games, and with many of our episodes, these zones and levels are explored. Dance levels such as moving high, medium, and low, as seen in the lion pounce dance, are also integrated. We also, as I said before, have dance zones. In our popcorn dance, we can jump in many different ways. We can jump forwards, backwards, up, down, side to side. These are zones. The third category is under dynamics. This is where it gets exciting. How do I do the dance? Here we have expressive actions like stomping, pouncing, collapsing, freezing, creeping, exploding, swinging, whirling, twirling, floating, scooping, to name a few. We take pride that we use dynamics in all of our dances with MOSI Moo. Timing is also part of dynamics. We do our best to emphasize moving to the beat, whether it's clapping or marching or dancing to the beat. Beat acquisition is really important. The final category is relationships. With whom am I going to dance with, or with whom do I do it? For the younger children, they usually move alone in a mass. As they get older, 5, 6, 7, they can move in duets and trios. But with MOSI Moo, they always have a buddy to dance along with. I hope that these dance tips and ideas will ignite your imagination and inspire you to integrate dance into the life of the child you care for, whether it's in the classroom, dance studio, or at home. Thank you so much for listening and joining me. Keep dancing.